Hello, today I'm going to talk about David's Tea Glitter and Gold. So this is by David's Tea. It is called Glitter and Gold, and there is a perfectly reasonable explanation for that because it's literally gold. Oh my gosh. So I collect tea. I love tea so much. I am a tea person, and this is a great twist if you're looking for something in the morning for breakfast other than the classic Earl Grey or English breakfast tea. This is a great black tea. It is loose leaf, so however you consume your loose leaf tea, you can, have it just in the water, the hot water on its own, and kind of have it floating there. Or you can have a filter of some kind. It's really up to you. It works either way. This is an amazing drink. I definitely recommend drinking it hot. I have popped open the container so you can see in the inside in just a second. But look at this container. It is a white container with a gold top, and then it's so sparkly and so beautiful, and it's such a great gift idea. And inside they have packaged it with plastic, so you can see, I opened it a little here so you can see inside, and just opening it, I smell it from where I'm sitting. It's incredible. So it has spiced black tea, and then it has these golden star sprinkles that actually shimmer when you fill it with water, and I'll explain that in just a second. So I drink this in the morning instead of coffee. I don't drink this tea every morning because I have so many different teas to choose from, but this is definitely up there. It's in my top favorites. It has like a moderate amount of caffeine. It's 3.5 ounces of tea here, and I basically was looking for some loose leaf tea and decided to try this. I love tea. Like I said, I know I keep saying that, but it's so true. The gold stars really shimmer, and I've poured some into this cup here so you can actually see. Now, it looks kind of orange, but these stars actually turn golden in the water. And it would take some time to show you that, but you can kind of see it here. And then the tea itself is this black spiced mix. When I first smelled it, the first thing I thought of was cloves and cinnamon and clementines. A very strange combo. But it turns out I was not too far off. It does contain cloves. Basically, I would recommend putting 2 spoonfuls in your mug. A basic, 16-ounce mug would work best. And you can do boiling water, but really, really hot water, like almost boiling water, works too. And then you let it brew for about 4 to 7 minutes, and then you drink it. And it's such a beautiful little tea, and it's great for, parties when you can offer it to guests, and everyone likes it. It's really fun. It has a very rich smell, and like I said, very pungent. You can smell it from so far away. So when I'm drinking it, sometimes someone will say, "Hey, what's that smell? It smells so good." And I'll say, "Here's my tea. You want some?" I bought it in early June. Tea can last for a very long time, and especially if you keep it in these types of containers that are dark and just close and really keep everything in. Make sure it's in room temperature. No need to refrigerate it or anything like that. They do make smaller tins, and there are different sizes, and you can obviously put this in any tin. They just sell the leaves too, and you can put this in any tin and give it as a gift. It's so great, and you can travel with it that way. Bring it with you if you're on vacation to have your nice tea. Say they don't have any there, then you have some with you, some of your favorite. The ingredients there's a lot of ingredients. It's not your average simple black tea. It does have extra ingredients like not just black tea, it has lemon peel, sugar sprinkles, and that's made of sugar, rice flour, partly hydrogenated, canola oil, shellac, titanium oxide, iron oxide, potato starch, and it also does have sugar, cloves, natural and artificial flavoring. So this is not for those of you who are looking for a natural herbal tea, but if you're looking for a really nice, yummy drink, then this is for you. It is 0 calories, which is nice, so you don't have to worry about with all that sugar. It's really not a lot of sugar, and a serving size is 1 cup. There's about 40 cups, they say, in this, but that also depends on how much you use and how big the cups are and things like that. So it has a very smooth taste. It's not bitter, but it's really not that sweet either. I honestly did not really think about sugar when I, was just drinking it for the first time. It really didn't cross my mind at all. And it really tastes just as good as it smells. And it tastes just like it smells. So sometimes you'll have these things that smell so good and then you'll taste them and they don't really have any real taste. But this literally smells just like it tastes. So that's really cool. And David's Tea has so many products. They have so many amazing teas and combinations, and they're really creative. So I would check them out. And this is not spicy. It has spices, but it's not spicy. And yeah, check them out. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it.